That's the sound of money. Fresh, printed money.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. On today's episode, we're gonna revisit one of the companies I sold about 9 months ago. So, the name of the company, as you can see here, is Clfd Asset Management, and it's Clfd. So I sold this company around last year in February because I needed money for some project I was doing. I wasn't really ready to sell the company, but at the same time, I bought it for $32, and at that point, it was $60. So I did sell, and then I knew I shouldn't have sold. I sold it because after I sold that company, I watched it go from $60, as you can see right now, to $105. And I've been keeping an eye on it. It went up to $130, and it dropped back a little bit. So on today, I'm just gonna buy one share and monitor it, and I'm gonna average down. If it goes down a little bit, I'll buy more. But this is a company where I can say I can back it. It's a tech company, and I first saw it when it was around $20, and I watched it. I waited on the sideline until 30. I should have gotten earlier, but even the time I got in, I still think I did really good at that point when I sold it. So as you can see right now, here it is, and I'm gonna go in and buy one share right now because I put in $155 Canadian, and as you know, right now the Canadian dollar is not so great when you exchange it. So we can move over here now. I'm gonna go in and go limit buy, and the highest price I'll buy right here is, I'm gonna say 105.96. I guess I'll pay for the 96 or 95. 96, and I'm only gonna buy one share for now. Scroll down, and I'm going to buy, continue, and I'm gonna confirm. As you can see, I'm done right now, and if I go back home, I should have a bit of money left to buy something else. So I did put in $155 Canadian. So let's get back in here and see how much I have left over. You can see my balance $8. Wow. The Canadian dollar exchange to US is really, really low because I did put in $155 Canadian. And as you can see, I've already got it here. And because this was $105, to change $155, this will have $8 left over. So I'm just gonna go into DVI and see if I can buy 2 shares of DVI, because it's been paying me consistent dividend and it's been staying around this price. Normally I buy for, I think, $2.80, but it is what it is now. So I'm just gonna go limit buy and buy 2 shares of this too. So $3.07. Scroll down, and I'm gonna buy 2 shares of it. Should be 6. And go buy now and continue. Confirm. And just like that, that's the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe, share the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.